Hello everyone, welcome to another Repairmatic video, and I'll show you how to remove the Volvo V50 door sight. Sorry I made this video afterwards when I removed it, so I had to put it back just like that and then make this intro video. So you better have the plastic tools and then remove this hidden back side plastic holder, and then just try to push it out a bit and then it should be fine. You don't have to completely remove it, and then remove this control panel from both sides with whichever works. So it's quite easy to remove, and then remove this cable, just pinch from the side and then it's easy. And then next you have to remove the two Torx screws, which are, I guess, T25. I think they are T25, so you need to remove them. So now the screws are removed. Now it's time to pull the panel. So put the plastic tool in, use the plastic tool and try to use the good one, which shouldn't like flex. I don't have a very good one, so I try to like make a space so that I can put my fingers in, and then I can pull it. So make a space and try to be close to the holders or brackets as close as possible, and then there's a less chance that you will break them. So find where they are, peek from the side, and then pull exactly from where those plastic clips are so that you don't break them. Just like that. This plastic tool is working so far in this area. So wherever it's a bit hard, I put my fingers in and then staying close to the clip, and then I pull it, and then it works. Yeah, so I guess all the clips are out now, so you just have to pull it upwards and remove this manual lock hook, and then a bit of shaking, and then it should come out. And then the next thing is to remove the cables. This one was a bit hard. I couldn't remove it with the fingers, so I need a tool for that one. But then yeah, it didn't work out with the fingers. Now you have to remove this door open cable. Just pull it out from this point and then move it downwards, and then this should come out pretty easily. And then remove this manual door hook, whatever it is called, and then this door lock switch. There's a It's quite easy. In the bottom, I guess there is a pin. You just press it and pull it. And then for this you need a screwdriver or whatever works for you. Just move the clip. This didn't work out, so yeah, this should work out. So push this and then it should easily come out. Yeah, everything is removed now. Door panel is out. Nice, pretty. That's pretty easy. You just be careful about the clips. You don't have to break them because it's hard to find them. So the remaining clips which are kind of stuck in the door, just remove them carefully. Don't use the screwdriver, use this kind of a plastic tool. It won't break them, but it would easily take them out. And then you put them back on the door panel from wherever they are missing. So that, yeah, I think one is missing from here. You just put it back like that. And then one is missing from here. You just put it back. And then when you put it back the next time, it would fit nice and easy. Yeah, all clips are there. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how you remove the door panel. And make sure to subscribe my channel, like my videos. That's how it looks when it's removed. Have a nice day. Bye.